I have a quick question for you guys today. Have you ever thought about investing in the stock market? I only started not that long ago, and I bought stocks when they were really low earlier this year when coronavirus hit. And if you look, I have $675 invested, and we are up 13.6% within the last year. That's right, we're up 13.6% since I'd say April 1st is whenever I did my $675 investment. And right now it's worth $766.81. Now, if we look over here, I do have a whole bunch of different stocks. I have it set up right now that any type of dividends that are paid out quarterly are reinvested back into my stocks. If you look right here, here's New York Mortgage Trust. I have 35.69 shares is because it reinvested back into itself. Right now today the prices actually have went down some. This PSEC is down 0.39% today. And that one there I got for free for signing up for Robinhood with a link that was shared to me by a friend. I'm going to give you guys the same link, and it'll give you one free stock when you join. So I will give you guys a link so you can actually get one free stock. And my brother joined underneath me, and I got to share a free a Ford stock for free, which is, if you look, I have the Ford one highlighted right now. Like I said, I got that one for free when my brother joined. And underneath it we have NCSM. Now I paid 56 cents a share. It's went up and down in value. I bought 20 shares of it. Current price is 59 cents a share. So it went up a little bit higher than I paid. Right now my total return paid, I will earn 5.8% more than I paid for the stock. Which isn't a lot, but I'm guessing that one will probably go up in time. Because within the last year, if you look, it was $2 and something a share. So once it goes back up, after people are stopped worrying about it, like I said, it should stop after people stop worrying about coronavirus. Now my video keeps on stopping. I'm not sure if something's wrong with my camera or what's going on. But my next stock down we have is MFA. This one here, I have 147 shares of it. My average cost is $2.52 a share. And if we go down here, quarterly, this one's been paying out since 2018 about 20 cents a share. So after 3-4 years it'll pay for itself, and then after that it'll be all profit. But like I said, I have it set to automatically reinvest back into itself. When coronavirus hit, they actually had a loss right here at the beginning of the year, but then the second quarter came through at a profit. So I'll be getting that dividend pretty soon, and it'll make my number of shares go up once that comes in. I believe it was like 20 cents a share is what that one there came in at. So once my share numbers go up, and then the next quarter it'll go up even more yet, and they'll start earning money on top of themselves. Now this is MFA Financial, like I said, and that one there is a real estate investment trust. So they do real estate, and if people are not paying their mortgages and stuff like that right now, they can eventually foreclose on those properties, sell their properties and stuff like that. But before the virus stuff hit, it was $7.50 a share, between $8 to $7.50 a share is what it was averaging. And right now it's at $2.75 a share, which is a pretty good investment, because once it does come back up, it'll, as you can see right there on that graph, it really dropped down once the virus hit. We'll look at this 5-year chart. So it's a great investment right now, and it's also a good one to hold because it does pay out dividends quarterly as long as there's a profit. And then after that, we have New York Mortgage Trust. That one there, if you look at it, I have $94.94 is my market value. My total cost was $74.25, and I have 35.69 shares. And the reason why I have that much shares is I have it set up that when it pays out dividends, it goes back into buying more stock. And if you look in there, they suggest that people analysis are saying 75% hold, 25% say buy it. And if you look here, the first quarter they had a loss because of the coronavirus. Then our next projected quarter, they had higher. That's the one I just got paid for, which was 20-some cents a share. And if you look on there, they averaged 20-some cents a share for the payout. And the current price of that one there is $2.66 a share. So after a few years, that one will pay for itself, especially when it's reinvesting back into itself, because those new shares will earn that same percentage rate of about 20 cents a share, and it'll add up pretty quickly. If you look, I got $1.75 reinvested for the amount of shares I had. Actually, it was 5 cents per share that one there paid out. So 5 cents per share. Currently, it's 5 cents per share. That one's going to take a while for it to pay for itself, but I only paid $2.08 a share. Some of these, though, they'll pay out monthly for the amount of money you get. The Prospect Capital at the top, I actually have been earning 6 cents a month on it, and right now I have it set up to back to reinvest, and that's why I have a partial share on there. Because every single month I've been getting about 6 cents reinvested back into it from my dividends. If you look on there, I earned 6 cents in May, July, August. So that kind of shows you that when it keeps on going back into itself, eventually it'll make another share, and then I'll be getting 12 cents a month instead of, because right now it's only one share of that one. And I do have some weed stocks bought. The CGC is Canopy Growth. I'm thinking once the weed businesses go back up, I only have one share of that one because it was, right now I paid $14.64 a share. It's at $16.47 a share. That one there was like kind of expensive, I thought, kind of to me. So I didn't buy any more than that. I have GM stocks. I have 3 of those. This one here, FinServ, they suggest to buy it, so I bought 10 shares, which cost me $100. I'm not sure what's going to happen with that one there. That one there was on a whim. Then I have Aurora Cannabis, which is another weed stock. I paid $9.64 a share. Currently, it's at $9.40 a share, so it actually lost a little bit of value. Because they've been showing losses, if you look, but once they've been reinvesting back into themselves, and that's why they've been having losses. Once they stop reinvesting back into themselves all the time, they're going to start having profits, and then my shares should start multiplying fairly quickly once that happens. But they've been reinvesting back into themselves, like into more equipment, more buildings, more land. Because once more weed stuff gets legalized, it's really going to bump up. Now another site, this is like Robinhood. Another site you can invest in is called Webull. I do belong to Webull as well. I have the free stock I got from them. I do have that stock. And to me, this one's not as easy to read when I'm looking at it. Here looking like I have the San New York Stock Exchange is 224 a share, and I have that one stock because I got the free one for joining. Now I will go ahead and give you guys a link so you guys can join Webull under me, and you'll receive a free stock as well by doing that. But you'll have to look at these both. There is more information on this one than the other one. They do give you a lot more information on this page, but I think Robinhood's easier to use. Personally, in my opinion, Robinhood is easier to use. Now, if you look here, you can actually search for other stocks, and down here they have like 100 most popular stocks, and it shows you all the different ones and how much they're up today and how much they're down today. You can do day trading, which means you'll get quicker payouts right away, that once it goes up, you can sell it and then you'll make money quickly off of it. Or if you hold them for a while, especially if you have the right ones, they pay out dividends, normally about quarterly, which means you'll make a profit on it just by owning and holding on to it. So you're going to decide what type of investing you want to do. With investing and stuff like that I've been doing, I sold everything off, then I rebought everything. I actually have the Rolex watch here and stuff like that I bought. I've been buying RC cars, and if you look here, I have a high-end gaming laptop right here. I have other high-end gaming laptops, and investing in the stock market, especially right now since the prices are down, is a good idea. If you guys would like yourselves a free stock, check the description box down below. I will provide a link for Webull and also for Robinhood right here. Remember to click like and subscribe. See you guys later, and happy investing!